So let's quickly point out the differences and similarities between the Cubot KingKong Star 2 and the Cubot KingKong X. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates and the best rugged phone deals. I'll also be sharing a special sale of the Cubot KingKong Star 2, so make sure to subscribe if you are interested in the Star 2 and want to get it for a very affordable price. I'll share the link to the limited sale events to you if you're interested, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because I'll be providing an update regarding the upcoming limited sale of the Star 2. So without further ado, let's quickly compare the top features of both devices side by side.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
So there we go, guys, the KingKong Star 2 versus the KingKong X. As you can see, both phones are quite similar in some ways and different in some other ways. But what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.